This guide will show you how to set up an MS SQL Monitor in Applications Manager. Click New Monitor. Click Add New Monitor. Select Database Servers. Click Microsoft SQL Server. Fill in your preferred display name. This will be the name of the monitor. Enter the desired host name or IP address. Provide the subnet mask. You can access the advanced settings here. After clicking Advanced, the Do Not Resolve DNS Name option will appear. To enable this option, select the checkbox. Click Advanced again to hide the DNS option. Enter the desired port number. The default port number is 1433. If your MS SQL Server uses a different port, enter it here. Provide the credential details. You can choose from two options. Option 1. Use below credential. Option 2. Select from credential list. If you choose Option 2, the Credential Manager drop-down will appear. Select the appropriate credentials from the list. In this video, we will use Option 1. Select the desired authentication type. The drop-down will display 4 different authentication types: SQL, NTLM, Kerberos, and native authentication. Here, we will select SQL. If you select SQL, you must enter the username and password. Enter the username. Enter the password. Use this option to connect with a named instance. Enter the instance name. In this video, we won't be using this option. Click Force Encryption. Set Force Encryption to True if the server is configured for encrypted connections. Choose the driver for SQL Server connection. You have two options. Option 1. JTDS JDBC driver. Option 2. Microsoft JDBC driver. In this video, we'll select the Microsoft JDBC driver option. You can set the polling interval here. The default polling interval is 5 minutes. You can change it to your desired value. Test the entered credentials. Add the monitor. To access the monitor you just added, you can click on Monitor Details. This is the added monitor. Here, get a quick snapshot of your SQL Server's health, including CPU utilization, memory usage, and disk I/O. In the Performance tab, dive into detailed performance metrics such as query execution times, deadlocks, and buffer cache hit ratios. In the Database tab, monitor individual databases for size, growth trends, and space utilization of data and log files. In the Sessions tab, track active sessions, user connections, and session-specific resource consumption. Detect and resolve issues like blocked or long-running sessions promptly. This video covered the process of adding and configuring an MS SQL Monitor in Applications Manager.